फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको मिलाने जा रही हूँ अपनी बेटी
Daisy, cutest girl, God's blessings.
Yeah, she's my daughter Daisy, and she's also having a channel, cutest girl God's blessing, and there she's a little teacher. She's a cute teacher there, and she teaches very well. But as you all know, holidays are going on, and kids are having a lot of work to do. And as other kids, she's also having a lot of work to do.
Yes.
She's also having a lot of work to do, and today she did her art and craft work, and she made
I have made fish and ladybird.
fish and lady finger.
Ladybird. Ladyfinger is a vegetable and ladybird is an insect.
And fish.
Fish is an aquatic animal.
Aquatic means?
Aquatic means water animal.
Okay. Fish is a water animal, and a ladybird is
Insect.
an insect. Okay, I was thinking it is lady finger. Yeah, it is a vegetable. But before that, she is going to share something with you. Yeah.
And I want to share 2 points with you. First, don't waste paper. Try to make best out of waste. Second, friends, don't work alone. Take your mama's help because we are little kids and we can get injured. So friends, I also get my mama's help when I do my work.
Yeah, she takes my hand.
Yes.
Friends, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज चैनल को
Subscribe the channel, like and share and comment the video.
yes, please do the
And
same.
press bell icon.
Yeah, please do the same as my Daisy is saying, and
Be safe, stay happy.
yes, stay happy and stay safe with your family. Take
With your
care.
friends.
Okay, with your friends also, and please keep watching the video and watch the video completely. Okay, so bye bye friends.
Do not touch anybody, okay? Put your mask and take hand sanitizer.
Yeah, use hand sanitizer, and always keep your mask with you.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Should we start now?
Friends, I'm going to make fish. Please watch my every steps of making fish carefully. to make ladybird. Friends, see. And friends, my fishes are also ready. These are also looking very beautiful. So friends, if you like this video, so please comment and subscribe my channel.